I'm selling step index right now. So guys, I want to tell you guys what I saw that made me took this trading decision. So this is step index 200, and I'm going to do my analysis on the daily time frame, right? So on the daily time frame, price has been, sorry, my network is a bit slow. This zone right here has been a zone is a key level on the daily time frame. This is the previous lower high that gave this previous lower low, right? So price has been buying for a while now, and I was expecting that since the general trend for this pay is bearish, this step index is bearish. If you look at it from the weekly time frame, so I was expecting price to either react from this key level right here. Let me use a line so that you can see clearly. I will expect price to react from either this key level or this key level, right? But price does not react from this key level. Let me delete this. It's a price reacted from this first key level here. Now upon reaction on the daily time frame, I went to the 4 hours. What am I looking out for in the 4 hours? I'm just looking out for a breakout. Understand what people call change of character, shift of market structure, and what have you. So this was the candle that broke out. This was the candle that did the breakout, right? Upon the close of this candle, I waited for price to buy in a bit, and then I took my position. All right, and then I took my position. Then I'm expecting price to, sell all the way down to give us another lower low, right? So let's see how this will go.
Approximately 10 hours later.